Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back in Sri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 10, Baji Prabhu and the memorable battle of Godkhind. Okay, today it's our second lecture. Yesterday we learned about Shivaji conquer Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry, and another one, the siege of Panhalgarh. Now, today we are going to learn third point of the chapter. Shivaji escapes from the siege. Shivaji escapes from the siege. Okay. Yesterday we have seen the meaning of siege also. Okay. Army surrounded the fort. That is called siege. Now Shivaji escapes the siege. Now how Shivaji Maharaj come out from this siege, from Panhalgarh, okay, that we have to learn, because yesterday we have learned that he was unable to fight physically with Siddhi Johar, so he decided to deceive Siddhi Johar by making a clever plan. Okay, so now what was that plan? What was the trick that we have to learn? How Shivaji Maharaj escaped from the siege? See, so open your textbook, page number 37. See, Shivaji escapes from the siege. A plan was hit upon the escape from the siege. Two palanquins were kept ready. See, what was the plan? Two palanquins. Do you know palanquins? During the Nath Saptah, we used to make palanquin from our school to Dorare. That is called palanquin. Okay. So see, that palanquin, we used to carry it. In Sai Baba's temple also, two people used to carry Sai Baba's photo in a palanquin. Okay. So see, like this, two palanquins. Okay. At that time, palanquins were big. I can show you. Like this. Here the king used to sit from inside here. Okay, this side or this side. Okay, from any one side, and two people used to carry it. Okay, like this. So this is called palanquin. So like these two palanquins were kept ready. One was meant for Shivaji, in which he would proceed using a difficult route. Now why two? Shivaji is going to go down. Okay, so for why two? One is for real Shivaji Maharaj, that who is going to go from difficult route. Okay, the which route was very difficult. From that side, Shivaji Maharaj's palanquin was going to go. And see, the other would be a company occupied by another person disguised as Shivaji, and another palanquin was occupied by another person who became like Shivaji, or who has dressed up like Shivaji. This palanquin was to live by the Raj Dindi, and this another palanquin where the person used to sit who has dressed up like Shivaji Maharaj, that palanquin was going to send by the way Raj Dindi. This other palanquin would be easily spotted by the enemy forces. Why? Because this palanquin should be spotted easily by the enemy forces, and it would be captured by them, while the enemy celebrated the capture of Shivaji. See, and while enemies were celebrating the capture of Shivaji, the real Shivaji would escape by the difficult route, and the real Shivaji escaped by the difficult route. This was the plan. Like this plan they made. For this, a brave youth undertook this task. He resembled Shivaji in looks. See, he resembled Shivaji in looks. His name was Shiva Kashid. And that person's name, his name was Shiva Kashid. He was a hairdresser in Shivaji's service. Hairdresser means what we used to say in simple words, barber. He was a barber. in Shivaji's service. He was courageous and shrewd. He was courageous and shrewd. What is meant by shrewd? Able to make good decision. What is the meaning? Able to make good decision. As planned, the palanquin carrying Shiva Kashid came out of Rajdindi. As it is decided, the palanquin which is carried Shiva Kashid came out of Rajdindi. It was a dark night and it was raining heavily. It was a dark night and it was raining heavily. Still, some enemy soldiers were keeping watch. They captured the palanquin. They thought that they had caught Shivaji himself and took the palanquin to Siddhi's camp. And they thought that they have captured Siddhi, and so they took that palanquin to Siddhi's camp. Jubilations began in the camp. Jubilations means celebrations. Okay, jubilations means celebrations began in the camp. In the meanwhile, Shivaji escaped from the fort by difficult route, and in this middle time, Shivaji escaped with a difficult route with some people. He was accompanied by Baji Prabhu. Who was with him? Baji Prabhu Deshpande and some selected soldiers. Baji Prabhu Deshpande and some selected soldiers were with him. See, the Bandal Deshmukh army accompanied them. Bandal Deshmukh army accompanied them. After some time, the plot of Shiva Kashid was exposed. Means all come to know that this one is not real Shiva. He is duplicate one. The furious Siddhi killed him then and there. And as soon as Siddhi Jor comes to know that he is duplicate Shiva, immediately he killed him then and there. Shiva Kashid sacrificed his own life in the case of Shivaji and Swaraj. Shiva Kashid sacrificed his own life in the cause of Shivaji and Swaraj. Thus he became immortal. What is meant by immortal? Living or lasting forever. See, last paragraph now. When the Siddhi learned that Shivaji had given him the sleep, he was lived with rage. Again, rage means anger. Immediately he dispatched his Sardars, Siddhi Mosad, accompanied by a big army in hot pursuit of Shiva. At daybreak, the pursuing horsemen caught up with Shivaji at the Pandarpani stream. Where he caught? At the Pandarpani stream. Shivaji was now in a real trouble. With the greatest difficulty, he and his men crossed the Ghodkhinda. Okay, do you understand this much? Very good. So see, what is your today's homework? These word meanings. 3 words you have to copy 2 times in your notebook, and again more 10 hard words you have to find out and you have to write them thrice in your notebook. Okay, thanks for watching this video. In the next week, coming Monday, we are going to meet again. Thank you very much.